I spent all of my money moving to California February 28th. All of it. Hotels, Airbnbs. But God brought me out here for a purpose. And He didn't bring me this far to leave me. Anybody who's out there who spent their very last and moved on faith. I mean, I moved out here to Cali without a home. 3 months I've been out here. Just wow. But God, but God, but God, but God, but God, but God. Seven, seven, seven. Just keep telling yourself, God got me. God got me. He didn't bring me this far to leave me, nor forsake me. So, if money is too tight to mention right now, sing this song with me. And just hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith.
To the bank to see what they could do. They said, son,